Welcome to the final video of Module 1, Mathematics. In this video, we cover polar coordinates, solving simultaneous equations, and basic statistics. So far, we have used Cartesian coordinates, x and y. Polar coordinates describe the same point using a distance from the origin, r, and an angle from the x-axis, theta. To convert to Cartesian, x equals r cos theta, and y equals r sin theta. To go the other way, r equals the square root of x squared plus y squared. Substitution means replacing one variable using the other equation. Here, y equals x minus 2, so we substitute that directly into the first equation. X plus x minus 2 equals 6. That simplifies to x equals 4. Substituting back gives y equals 2. The two lines cross at exactly this point. Elimination means adding or subtracting the equations to cancel out one of the variables. Adding 2x plus y equals 11 and x minus y equals 1. The y terms cancel, leaving 3x equals 12, so x equals 4. Substituting back into either original equation gives y equals 3. The mean is the sum of all values divided by how many values there are. The median is the middle value once the data is sorted. The mode is the value that appears most often. For the dataset 3, 5, 5, 7, 10, the mean is 6, the median is 5, and the mode is also 5, since it appears twice. The range tells you how spread out the data is. It is found by subtracting the smallest value from the largest value. For our data set, 10 minus 3 gives a range of 7. Pause the video and try this problem yourself. Adding the two equations cancels the y terms. 3x equals 12, so x equals 4. Substituting back into x plus y equals 7 gives y equals 3. Question 1. Convert the point 3, 4 from Cartesian to polar form. Find r. The answer is A5. Question 2. Solve for x. X plus y equals 9. X minus y equals 3. The answer is B6. Question 3. Find the median of the data set. 3, 7, 7, 9, 14. The answer is B7. Here is your quick reference. To convert polar to Cartesian, use x equals r cos theta and y equals r sin theta. To go back, r equals the square root of x squared plus y squared. Simultaneous equations are solved by substitution or elimination. The mean is the sum divided by n. The median is the middle value. The mode is the most frequent value, and the range is the maximum minus the minimum. That completes Module 1, Mathematics, all 16 videos. You now have a solid foundation in the maths used throughout aircraft maintenance. Next, we move on to Module 2. See you there.